Hello friends, in this lecture we will see a spiral drive method in multi-axis. So first of all I am going to define a tool and I am using a ball mill for finish operation. We use this for finishing operation. So this is the tool. Okay, click here, you will see this and tool number. Okay, now I am going to define my part. This is my part and blank I am using offset and offset is zero point 0.2. Okay, okay, now go to create operation and select this variable contour and workpiece method is semi finish or finish whatever you want. Okay, and here my cutting area is this upper surface and see this is a contour surface. Okay, and this time my drive is spiral drive. Okay, and spiral drive, see this is the center and maximum spiral radius is 30, so up to 30 radial it will create the tool path on this upper face. And here the tool step over 1.0 I am using, and if you want to see this, so click. So tool path preview, no, it is not showing the preview, so no problem, just click OK. And projection vector, and before projection vector I'm going to axis, and my tool axis is normal to part, so this is the part and surface about the normal of this part. And from main my projection vector I'm using this vector, specify vector, and let's generate it and see this diameter of this circle, this tool path is 60 because 30 radius we have specified and 1 is the step over. And let's see the result. And okay, okay, and I will show you. Okay, the click and play, see this is the tool axis direction, so it is not in 3 axis, now it is in multi axis. Okay, so hope you understand this, how to create this kind of tool path. And if you want to increase this size, so go to the spiral settings, this time 60 and 1, or you can change this step over, but still I'm using this 1 and generate. If it is outside from the face plate, okay, so in this way we can create this spiral drive method for multi-axis.